a photo, right?
No. See, now you're recording.
Oh, we're live.
Oh, we're live.
June 10th, 2022. We're about to do the impossible, ladies and gents. We're about to drive this fucking hoopty across the province.
Okay, I'll clean the camera and I'll explain to you what's going on.
Yeah, it's dirty, eh?
Okay, so we had a
Oh, it didn't help much. Hold on. That's better.
So we had a 3 cars trailer lined up, and apparently only 2 cars fit on the trailer, and we have 4 cars to bring to Edmonton. So we decided to not take the streetcar, not take the other streetcar, and not take his BMW because it's too sketchy, and we're taking this one on a fucking 4 hours road trip in the fucking pouring rain with a not tested car. So it should be fun.
Yeah, buddy, I think she'll make it. We just changed the rear tires. No hydroplaning, so it'll be pretty good. All ready to hit the road, bud?
Oh yeah. We're gonna hit something. I don't know if it's gonna be the road or the ditch.
I think we're ready. We got our caffeines, we got our glizzies. Ready to fucking give her.
Got the speaker going. We're fucking men, dude.
Streetcar.
Oh yeah. Streetcar is fucking USB ports and everything. Say it again. This is pretty much as I need one as a gas.
Many hours later.
Okay, that's gonna be our turn off for next time. Yeah, Fort Sask. I have Brendan in the car. Yeah. It's 3:30. We gotta get up at 7. I hate my life. Yeah. But yeah, we did it. We're there. I'll catch you back tomorrow. Yeah, you can already see the sun that we're gonna be. Shut up! Stop! Stop! Weird!
Well, first test run on the 240 was a success. We're about to go for another. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's stoked. We're all stoked. Car's running good. It's a little warm, but
I'm JC.
it is JC. He will surrender.
I will.
Yes.
Wanted to vlog yesterday, but nothing happened, so the drive went actually too good.
Yes.
We're back here today, I guess.
Things did not go nearly to plan, like always, because they won. But nothing went to plan at all.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna try to run just wastegate pressure right now.
So aka it's going to be slow Dracula. Slow, very slow Dracula. What were your tire pressures at? 60?
They're hot. Yeah, they were at 50
shorties just to see what mood she on. All white bricks, my hotline bling. Coolin' with my team. Touched a couple streams. Made a lot of green. Really don't mean much to me. I put death over designer shit. I'll buy a fifth machine. But this Louis came from Louis. Spent 200 on these jeans. Mama proud of me. Name got extra calories. Wait on that. Music coming, wait on that. Mike Dons hate on that. Do a show and pay a bro and put that shit on income tax. All my bros is towing poles. I promise we can get away. They ain't know the boy. Got some money in my pockets, now they love the boy. Damn, you ain't never wanna fuck the boy. Sweet tooth, baby, you just want my almond joy. Yeah, I remember they ain't know the boy. Got some money in my pockets, now they love the boy. Damn, you ain't never wanna fuck the boy. Sweet tooth, baby, you just want my almond joy. But you ain't trippin', I ain't trippin'. 14, saw a dream. 15, made a scheme. 16, made a team. 21, love the green. Started talking for the profit. Haters boost my self-esteem. All my partners keep on rocking. Leave that talking to a beam. Yo, coolin' in the penthouse. All my bitches stink now. I don't shop at PacSun. I like rockin' Ricks now. He said he don't like me. Tell that nigga sit down. Parties don't invite me, so I like to kick down doors. Throw a couple foes, make me wipe a nigga nose. I ain't tripping off of.
What's wrong?
Bolt check.
You gonna do a bolt check?
Yeah.
Oh no! Loudest tool on planet Earth. He's struggling, bro. We don't want to show that. That's weird, risky business. You know what I mean?
see. How was that?
It was very good and I like it a lot.
What do you think's busted?
I don't know. There's a bit of vibration. I don't know if it's the tires or...
The shit we do, man. This is just 881 crew style. The secrets that we cannot discuss is mind-blowing. What'd you do?
I think I ran out of gas.
You ran out of gas.
That's what happened when you drive your car here. How much it cost for fuel on the way here?
Ouch.
Like 80 bucks?
I drove my Jetta here.
Can Aaron take your truck to go get fuel?
Look at that ass.
Yeah, see, that was me.
Oh my gosh!
I started, hey, that was me. I started initiating and I saw the piece of your tail light just flying out.
Can you come on out in front of me, right? I don't know where to go.
Oh.
All right. Competition time, guys. Got Miss Kaylee over here and I one of the camera fools right now. Let's see what's up. We're just setting the track up now for the main event.
LBDJ killing it out here. Way to go, LBDJ. Jared Kruger. Come on. He wants it. Big initiation. JC.
Yes.
Proximity takes a little bit of a tighter line.
That's a zero. Come on, JC. Come on.
JC with a nice clean run. Using all that force getting wide.
Yes.
Letting him down. Yes. In with that power.
Oh, dude.
Fuck yeah!
Dude. That was
Another
beautiful.
solid battle. We're seeing some
That was all the magic from my gloves.
competitors.
Yeah, he partied there.
JC looking to chase him down and keep that king of the hill throne. Jared initiates JC just behind him. Jared getting wide. JC not letting him get away.
Nice, JC. Nice.
JC looking good in the chase. Jared, nice clean lead run as well. As they get into that outside zone, JC falling behind a little bit. You guys stays in the fight.
Yeah.
Yes. Solid fucking battle. That was solid.
Honestly, it's JC.
Yeah! Go!
881 crew.
Come on back!
Fort McMurray. Sponsored by Napa Fort McMurray.
Fuck yeah.
Come on! Nice clean entry.
Yeah, come on!
Solid angle, solid line. Ofir not quite the top speed we want to see, but looking dialed as far as angle and line goes. Damn. Throwing down in front. And gets out to that. Put a bit of a gap on.
That's a no competition. That's a no
On
comp.
Cam here. Cam wants to catch up. Ofir with a tricky initiation, but he dumped it into the course.
Swing it!
Regain that gap. Dives in on the front. You can hear it. Flip there, but unfortunately straightens out into the last turn. So Jared finishes out strong. Give up for these guys.
Go, baby.
Yeah.
JC trying to keep king of the hill. Both guys in a handbrake entry. JC kind of has to reinitiate a little bit there. Cam solid in the lead. JC trying to keep proximity. They knock over that outside zone. And JC over rotates a little bit.
Okay, so we finished up the day. They both got They both lost. They got kicked. And we're doing this. I'll explain what happened in the events in a moment. This is more important. I totally had it zoomed into my face, so that's embarrassing.
Buddy, we never lose. We just didn't win.
Buddy.
Here, do you want us to push? Do you want us to push?
I should be able to get it. Hello. We have broken tie rod. We tried to load trailer. Not working. Well, kind of working. We're halfway.
We're doing everything we can.
JC! JC!
You got recorded.
Oh my gosh, come on, really? The porno? Golly. Yeah, no, you were inside of it, bro.
What?
Sorry, Mom, sorry, Dad. Not in a weird way, okay? I'll explain that for you guys. Alright, say goodbye.
Huh?
Say goodbye.
Bye, thank you for listening. We're at 881 and we love you.